e be like say e seems anybody wey don chop belle full like dis, wey don shayo, wey don shalaye, drink finish, na Davido body dey use dey learn power. Today is Burna Boy, yesterday was Wizkid. Burna Boy said, if you ever lied about buying Sojimoto's house in Banana when you only rented it, do better in 2025. If you ever lied about Elele's house being yours, do better in 2025. If you have an aftermarket Rainbow Daytona, please stop telling people it is real. Do better in 2025. It should be a criminal offense to tell as many lies as certain men. The list can go on and on and on. Also, all that Burna Boy and Fela talk needs to buy now. I'm not Fela, I'm Big Seven. I'm all about positivity, peace and prosperity, but honestly, I'd rather buy you than buy for you. Ebuka still dey do all those interviews. I no dey for all those podcast ring light level abeg. I be professional for my profession. Na only professional for im own profession dey qualified to interview Odogwu. Me wey fit still no drop album again 2025. Burna Boy shaded Davido earlier this morning, accusing him of claiming a house he did not buy to be yours. And this house, according to the time Davido bought this house, as in according to the time the news of Davido buying a house trended, he got it from Soji Moto. Soji Moto himself has come out to react. He said Davido bought from us. He confirmed it here that Davido truly bought that house. That's his house in Banana Island from him. Now, someone else also confirmed this. The first frame in the house Sojimoto built that Davido bought. He is no more living there because of family and privacy, but his staff lives there. The second house is the house Davido built from the scratch. So sad that I have lost the video of where he visited the workers on site when they were building it. He even gave them cash gifts. The third house in Lekki, he bought it in 2013. Man bought a house in Yankee in 2014 when Burna Boy was still living in Port Harcourt. Burna Boy should stop watching the video's pocket. He won't understand at all. DMW crew member the K reacted and said, Ikate creep, lots of laughter. One key master flex. You will know someone that just started seeing bah is the whole world against us. OBO inspired all on lifestyle. Till date, no one does it better. No cap. Now that they can't go there, enter him skull. If they turn their belly, luxury na water for here. This interview is trending alongside with this saga between Davido and Burna Boy. This is B-Red. Listen to this interview, what he said about Burna Boy.
When David first dropped back when Wizkid said, what be this Davido guy when they say he get the baddest song for the industry? I looked at Wizkid, I said, that's my cousin.
Wizkid said that
in front of me one day.
Let's go.
I said, that's my cousin. He said, oh, for real? I said, he coming.
Yes.
Burna Boy, the first day I met Burna Boy was in Port Harcourt. He was running after me on David's car. Oh my God, I love you, Peter. I love you, David.
If all this truly happened, what the heck? Like, what is wrong with these three people? What is the problem? What are they fighting for? I don't understand this one, no. So, after a while, Burna Boy deleted all the tweets he tweeted against Davido. And netizens were like, Biko, Burna Boy, why you delete the post? Folding. And somebody else said, Baba don't fold. Delete everything from him story. Hello, Iyabo Josman. He said, Dear Wizkid, Davido, Burna Boy, as 2024 comes to an end, I wish for unity and brotherhood among three Afrobeat legends. Wizkid, Davido, and Burna Boy. Life is short, and God has blessed you guys abundantly. I pray they remember their humble beginnings and forgive past difference. United, they inspire Africa and the world with their hard work and talent. Let's see a united 2025. I love you guys. Starboy Wizzy, Baddest OBO, and Odogu, African Giant. You three are billionaires in dollars, so in dollars, and have the power to do anything in this world. Polo, come on. It be like say, like, let me add allegedly because I know if we shout. It be like say this one don't pass. I'm the real Odogu. I'm the real baddest. I'm the real star boy. It be like say it don't pass. The matter don't pass this one. Oh, this rivalry of a thing don't pass who is the biggest, who is the star and everything. Come, you should I sure say this one no be court matter. I'm just asking for a neighbor. Una sure this one no be dey gbam dey well, this one no be aye and all this. I'm just asking because I don't understand this constant fight for nothing. This constant fight for nothing. That they will one day close their eyes and buy to meet their creators. All this, I'm the dogu, I'm the star boy, I'm the baddest. God will not ask them. Oh. God will not ask them who made the most money, who trended the most, who got the highest gigs. Like, this one's no matter in heaven. What are they fighting for? What is happening behind closed doors? Let me tell you one thing. You see all these things they are doing, forget to. I love the video. I love it. See, when it comes to fave, the video is my fave. But I will say my mind and I will say it white and black. See, something is bigger than what an ordinary eye can see or sense. Hmm. It is well. I wish them all the best. May this 2025 bring peace amongst them. It is well. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment, and share so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly Just Lover YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. On this channel, we react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime, and true crime stories. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now. As I'm signing out for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Okay, Bye.